This is a sing-song of Margaret Thatcher.
Hey, this is kind of this is a response to a responsible response, where somebody named Krista McAuliffe or Colin McCocken or John Lennon or somebody like that had got down on his knees and said, "You serious? I just want to know. Are you serious? I mean, come on. Be serious. Do I smoke too much? Are you serious? I mean, does that make me look cool when I smoke? Seriously. Seriously, are you serious? Yeah, come on now. Would you go down to the Maple and John Street and there's a guy locked out of his kitchen. 10-4. Yeah, go let him in before he starves to death. Okay, I'm on my way. So, if you're serious, then it makes you look kind of, well, it's called sarcasm. Take a bite out of it instead of that Big Mac.